Grade 12, Mr. Oosthuizen here with number 12 in the Maths Paper 1 of September 2014. The 9 letters in the word cell phone are each written on a card and rearranged. Number 1, the first question, how many different arrangements can be made if the repeated letters E and L are considered as different? So therefore we're basically working with a 9-letter word and they can be in all different positions. So number 1 will be 9 factorial, which is 362,880. 12.3.2. In this one, determine the probability that the two E's will be placed next to each other if the repeated letters are considered as different. They're still seen as different, but now the two E's can be next to each other, must be next to each other. So I'm going to draw my 9 positions. Okay, and then I now must remember that the E's must be next to each other. So I'm going to say, well, let the E's be the first 2 positions. Then that becomes 1 position. Then I have used 2 letters already. So there's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 other letters that can be used. Therefore, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I basically have 8 positions to fill. Now also remember that the 2 E's can also be here, or there, or there, or there, and so on. So there's 8 different positions. I have from there onwards the 7 factorial, but then the 2 E's are still different, so they can also be swapped around. So therefore, there's 8 positions for my E's next to each other. Then there's 7 other letters to be arranged in any order, and the 2 E's can be swapped around. So therefore, there will be another option. So the number where the E's, the number of options for the E's next to each other will be equal to that, which is 80640. The probability of that happening is then equal to 80640 over the answer in number 1, and that works out to be 2/9. Then number 12.3.3. In this question, how many different arrangements that start with the letter P can be made? So now I have my 9 boxes, 9 positions for letters. My first one, they must start with a P, so I'm going to lock P in the position. Then there will be 8 letters, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this one is locked in, so that is my number equals, it's just one option because the word must start with a P. Then there's 8 factorial for the remaining letters, and there's 2 repeats, and they are saying now that they are considered the same. So therefore there's 2 E's and 2 L's repeated. Therefore the answer for that is 10080. That's it for number 12.